Hi, so today we're gonna play this important game. This is something that we're gonna repeat this time after so long. So let's see how it goes, okay? So each of us gonna say that what do I love about you? And if someone stuck and got lost, that's it, okay? Who gonna start?
I'll start.
Yes.
I love your beauty.
I love your gray hair.
I love your strength you have within yourself.
I love the way you were always being calm and contented in any situations.
I love the way when you speak, you can speak with full of voice which can literally attract anybody.
I love the way you used to adore me in any aspect I am.
I love the way how you follow the instruction I give you.
I love the way you lead me, especially most of the time you have been the very, very calm as well as focused leader.
I love the way how you have learned about mathematics now in the business. You have started measuring our profit and loss and everything you're doing now.
And I do love the fact that you do respect my expertise and also give importance about me in my background.
I love that you have accepted the part when I asked to organize our home.
I love the way you actually nurture the friendships around you.
I love the way you take care of Arun.
I love the way you also let us play along and you just be with yourself.
I love the way you connect with my friends as well.
I love the way you help me when we cook, be there, and also do some cleanups whenever needed. If I can't cook, you do order the food for me. So I love the way you take care of us.
I love the way you play with me.
I love the way you actually center yourself when it comes to coaching us, including me and also our inner circle coaches. The way you center yourself and also lure out the insights, that is something very beautiful to see.
I love the way the meditation nowadays you are able to curate by yourself, which is coming within you, and you're making the clients experience it in the workshop itself.
Thank you. I love the way you actually, in the workshop itself, you quickly shifts and adapt in there and that moment. And then you will quickly come out with the important insights at that moment and then make the whole agendas differently. It's like a very quick inspection and adoption that you do at that point of time.
I love the way you appear in your yoga mat in the morning when it's required, you will be there. And also, at times, the lazying in the bed.
I love the way, let it be in the morning or in the night, when you are focused with the screen, you will make sure that you are actually finishing everything projected on the screen and then make sure you are done, including the data especially.
Yeah, I love the way you are accompanying ourselves in our retrospectives, where if a person is good at inspect and adapt, the team needs to follow also. I think you guys are really connecting and also experiencing the retrospectives and stuff. So giving the feedbacks.
I love the way you used to actually listen to me when we do a reactive buying.
I love the way you connect with water.
Thank you. I love the way you watch sunset and sunrise. The way you prioritize wherever we go as a vacation, you will prioritize at that point of time to go out and watch the sunset and sunrise.
I love the way how you handle my mother.
I love the way how you handle your mother too.
And I love the deeper connection you have with my father.
I love the way you actually gave me the space to actually communicate between you and Appa as well, and allow that unfoldment happen at that point of time, rather than probably shutting me off, not talking about it. Like, you literally opened up that whole space to happen.
And I love the way how you connect with Kasturi.
Thank you. I love the way you also include me in everything, and also included me in the family group with her also. I mean, like, it's beautiful. It's the inclusion that I have felt through you.
I love the way you don't investigate.
And I also love that you don't ask me those kind of questions also. And I think it's mutual.
No, I do ask questions.
Nah, probably I don't feel suffocated with that.
Okay, we failed.
Devi!
Yes.
Okay. That's all from us.
That's from us.